everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I will tell you how to fix iPhone screen flickering after iOS 17 update. So guys, if you are experiencing screen flickering issue after an iOS update, you can try some troubleshooting steps to resolve the issue. Our step number 1 is restart your iPhone. A simple restart can often resolve minor software glitches. Power off your iPhone by going to your settings, scroll down and then tap on general. Again scroll down and then tap on shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. Then move to the second step. Our second step is adjust display settings. You have to go back and go to display and brightness. Then try adjusting the brightness and toggle the auto brightness settings. To toggle the auto brightness settings, you have to go back and then go to accessibility. Then simply tap on display and text size. Then scroll down and from here you can toggle the auto brightness option. So guys, after trying this step and you're still facing the issue, then you have to do is check for iOS update. Ensure that your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. You have to go back and open your general, tap on software update and check if there is any available update for your iPhone. If there is, then simply update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS. So guys, after this, then move to the next step. Our next step is check for app updates. Ensure that all your apps are up to date. Sometimes app developer release updates to address compatibility issues with new iOS version. So you have to open your app store, tap on your account, scroll down, and if you see any apps like this needs update, simply update them all. So guys, after trying this all steps and you're still facing the issue, then you have to do is simply reset all settings on your iPhone. You have to open your settings, tap on your general, scroll down and then tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset all settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, if this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos and thanks for watching.